All right, guys. AUXITO, man, they make some awesome LED lights, and we've used their LED lights before on our vehicles, and I'm a really big fan of this company. All their products were really good, really well functioning, no issues with them whatsoever. As you can see, that's why we have a bunch of stuff from them. Well, on today's video, we actually got one of their newest products. It's a battery jump starter, and I always love receiving these battery jump starters because, as you guys know, my Civic running E85 over there has been having a lot of starting issues that are fixed now, but if there's any problems in the future, I'm geared up. So we're going to be talking about this AUXITO jump starter right over here, and we're going to jump the car and see how it works. Again, I expect nothing but top-notch products from AUXITO, so hopefully this doesn't disappoint. So I've been running AUXITO LED lights for some time, actually 2 years plus, no issues. So let's take a look here. And personally, just me, I don't know, I just love their colors. Seems like a legit brand, and I've had nothing but good things working with them. So let's go ahead, take a look. User manual, colored user manual, tells you all the ins and outs of using this device here. This is actually bigger than I expected, but I'm gonna compare another 6,000 amp car jumper that I had, and it's even bigger than this. So this is nice size. It's got a super nice finish to it, almost like a rubberized coating on it. So that's really nice. You got your LED light right here, all your vivid buttons. So we turned it on. I'm not sure if you could see it in the sun, but it is saying there's 87% battery life on it out of the box. And yeah, you got a couple features here. This is obviously a jumper, dedicated jumper for your vehicle. They advertise it as being able to jump up to 60 times before needing a recharge. The battery charges in about 2 hours fully, and it's got a lot of inputs and outputs. You got a couple of USB drives over here, USB-C, a 12-volt DC output, and then you got the input for the jumper cables right over here. And I mean, very simple. And you got a LED light as well, so you can have different settings on the LED. The LED can either be a solid on, it can be a SOS, and then there's a pulsing one as well for those emergencies on the highways. And right over here we have the wires, the positive and the negative clamps. Clamps feel good. Good nice copper over here for the grip, and they're not too bulky. Some of these clamps come so bulky you have a hard time fitting them, so that's included. And we got a couple cables included here. This one looks like a USB-C to USB, and this one is a USB-C to USB-C. So one of these is the charging cable as well. And that's pretty much the gist of the jump starter. Beautiful thing about these are they're pretty affordable, and they will save your butt when you're in a situation where your car's dead or you're running E and you're having a hard time jumping your car. Having one of these in the trunk somewhere in your vehicle during the summer or the winter is pretty much essential at this point, and they don't cost an arm and a leg to give you an excuse not to have one. So let's go ahead, connect it, and jump the Civic here. Alright guys, here is my 2007 Honda Civic LX Turbo. Now you may be asking yourself, yo, what's up with the garbage bag? Well, that's covering something for a future video. So what we're going to focus on right now is AUXITO and the battery that we need to jump. So we're just going to plug this piece right in here. Nice sturdy connection. As you can see, the battery life indicator is on. Let's connect positive to positive, negative to negative. All right, let's turn that light off. Okay, power, start. It actually gives you a ready sign. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it does say ready, and you can almost hear it working. Now what you can also do is press this booster button, and this booster button is actually gonna give it all the juice that the car needs to start. So if you got a really dead battery, this button, this booster button, is your best bet. So I'm gonna go ahead, crank the car over. Hi doggy, you just chilling in the car. She loves to just sit in the car. Obviously it's about 60 degrees today. It's not hot, don't worry, she's fine, but she loves hanging out here in the car. Starts right up on E85, no issues. So great little device, as you can see, worked flawlessly. I'm definitely going to be keeping this thing around handy. And again, if you're traveling, if you're on the go, you definitely need yourself a portable jump starter like this. Now AUXITO does a lot of things and they do them well, and this is no exception. They do the great LED lights. They do have now these battery jumpers. They also do have tire inflators. So go check out their website. They got a bunch of cool things. I'll have the link in the description for the AUXITO jumper here. Again, it has a 6,000 amp maximum capacity battery with, I believe, a 20,000 mAh lithium ion battery that you can use to charge all your devices, your cell phones and other things, using all their inputs and output adapters here on the device. So thanks for watching, guys. Thank you, AUXITO. We'll see you guys on the next one, and stay tuned for the reveal right here. You don't want to miss that. I ain't here for the money, I ain't here